The fastest to sell out during the Black Friday sale are popular toys. We bring you 10 absolutely unmissable toys, deals from the 2024 Black Friday sale that you need to grab right away. Links are in the description below. The Hot Wheels City Toy Car Track set is now priced at $105, down from $130. This fun multi-level garage lets kids race, perform stunts, and battle a dragon. With a 2-car elevator, children can elevate their cars to the next level and launch the included Hot Wheels cars for thrilling side-by-side races, enhancing their playtime experience. The Snap Circuits Arcade Kit is now available for $45, down from $80. Designed for children ages 8 and up, this fun kit introduces the basics of electrical engineering in a safe way. Kids can follow the colorful instruction book to build various projects and toys. They'll enjoy creating spinning LED messages powered by the circuits they design themselves. The LEGO Technic Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500 is now priced at $40, down from $50. This exciting model car allows kids to experience the thrill of drag racing at home. It features 2 pullback toy car motors for high-speed action. The building kit provides a fun and engaging experience, making it a great addition to any LEGO collection. The Tames and Cosmos Mega Cyborg Hand is currently available for $45, down from $22. This engaging kit allows you to build a mechanical hand that you can operate with your fingers. It uses air pressure and water for movement, so there are no motors or batteries needed. It's a fun way to explore engineering and mechanics hands-on. The Tames and Cosmos Gumball Machine Maker Lab is now available for $29, reduced from $40. This exciting science kit lets you build your own gumball machine, while incorporating elements of marble run, roller coaster, and pinball machine. Each section of track teaches key concepts in mechanical physics, covering topics like simple machines, force, motion, momentum, gravity, Newton's laws, and energy transfer. The Fingerlings Baby Monkey, priced at $10, originally $15, is a fun, interactive toy with a unique personality and over 70 charming sounds and reactions, from singing to laughing. When on your finger, it's a sweet friend. Off your finger, it becomes a playful prankster, offering endless fun and engagement for kids. The Doggy Interactive Robot Dog is now available for $50, down from $80. This charming robot dog offers endless entertainment with its colorful lights, sounds, and unique personality traits. It featured 6 interactive games, including Fortune Teller and Ultimate Nose Boop. Thanks to innovative POV technology, Doggy can also communicate with tail signals, making playtime even more engaging and fun. The Furby Purple Interactive Plush Toy, discounted to $34 from $70, is a playful, interactive friend for kids. It talks, sings, lights up, and responds to speech, perfect for engaging play. Furby's glowing, blinking eyes and color-changing ears add extra fun, while its dancing moves bring energy and joy to every playtime, making it a fantastic companion. The VTEC Pop-A-Balls Push and Pop Bulldozer, now $20, originally $25, is an engaging toy for kids. By pushing the handle, kids roll a bulldozer and watch balls pop into the bucket. Buttons introduce colors, numbers, phrases, and music, while motion sensors activate fun tunes and songs, making playtime interactive and enhancing coordination and attention skills. The LEGO Star Wars Ambush on Mandalore Battle Pack, discounted to $17 from $20, is a great gift for Star Wars fans ages 6 and up. With 4 collectible minifigures, this buildable set lets kids and collectors recreate exciting scenes from The Mandalorian Season 3, promising hours of imaginative play and adventure. That's it for this video on the best toys deals of the Black Friday sale 2024. We hope you found something that you liked. Do like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top to get more such videos. Also, do share your thoughts in the comments section below.